Hello people, hope everyone's good, hope everyone's happy and well. Just got a bit of an update today. I made a commitment to keep updating and documenting the journey of Wavey Dynamics via YouTube. So a lot of you might be following on LinkedIn or Instagram and might have seen some things going on. But what I wanted to talk about on video today is the race team project I'm working on. So as some of you might know already, I've teamed up with MFT for this project. And MFT was founded by a guy, now a friend of mine, called Ludovic. He's got a main driver called Noah Andy, who is racing in French Formula 4. And we kind of came together as we were introduced and quickly realised we had a lot of goals in common. So let me make a quick introduction to Ludovic.
Hi everyone, it's Ludovic Pesé, the founder and director of Motorsport Formula Team. MFT is offering racing and driver management services. We are operating in different categories such as LMP2, when we have one participation with one of our drivers in 24 Hours of Le Mans. We did the Monaco Historic Grand Prix in 2018 with a Surtees TS16. We were also working with drivers in Formula 2 and Formula E. Since its creation, MFT is pushing for diversity to have more people from minorities and even more people from Black heritage that doesn't have the chance to work in motorsport. We are really pushing to have more people in motorsports that are hired because of their talents and their skills.
As two people who have quite strong ambitions to make a career in motorsport, so me on the engineering and technical side, and Ludovic on the team management and driver management side. It didn't take long for us to put a plan together, which ultimately is to work our way towards Le Mans, starting with European GT4 racing, and to do things a bit differently along the way. Primarily to increase the representation and inclusivity of motorsport in general. And from my point of view, I say this a lot, but it's something that I really believe in. Motorsport is such a great platform for developing technology, and due to the wide range of scientific disciplines and understandings you need to create a race-winning car, it's therefore relevant to global technology industries. And it's also a form of competitive engineering, which means things move really fast. Technologies, processes, manufacturing, materials, everything is in fast forward in motorsport in a way that you don't see in any other industry. And we want it to be open to people that don't just come from a certain demographic or a certain socio-economic status. So me and Ludovic have two main goals: to increase representation of race, gender, and inspire a whole new demographic to both watch motorsport as fans and take part as professionals. We also want to show motorsport in a new light and find a way to promote what I was just mentioning about how it's such a great tool for global technology development. So that can be in the form of projects such as theses, dissertations that have a direct link to engineering. So for example, creating a 3D scan of the car, giving that to students for various aerodynamic tasks. There's obviously a lot of physical development in drivers, which could work with sports science and exercise physiology students. There's business management, things that can be used as case studies. There's a whole range of things that we want to work on. We also want to get a professional sim racing team up and running to lower the barriers to entry for motorsport. We also want to create a documentary about the project. Really, we're at the stage now where we have the team infrastructure. We have me, who I'm working as technical director on the team. Ludovic is obviously the management. We have a driver, Noah Andy.
Noah is a young French black driver that is currently competing in Formula 4. We are working since last year, and since he worked with us and used our methods, he came from P15 to the podium a few weeks ago. We take Noah to test the Mercedes AMG GT4 with us. He did very well. He's a driver with a very good potential, but he was never surrounded by a whole team of engineer, coach, etc. So with those results, it allows us to understand more about the GT4 project, how the championship is working, how the car is working, and to help to spark the project that we are working on currently with Wavey Dynamics.
We have everything around us ready to get started, but we need some investment. So we're looking for some of the big motorsport brands and companies to stand beside us, endorse our message, and kind of raise our profile and bring us more eyes, bring us more attention, show us their support. We of course need help with car leasing as well, so we're looking for sponsorship for that to get racing this season. And we also need help with the operational costs of a season, so entry fees, consumables, logistics, etc. Myself and Ludovic are having some quite promising conversations with various companies about this at the moment, so things are moving along. Stay close, it's going to be an interesting journey, and I want to bring everyone along with me.
Keep following us and stay connected to following our amazing journey in motorsports.